In today's video, I'll show you on how you can fix generative fill not working in Adobe Photoshop. Basically, first things first, you want to make sure that you are selecting your photo on the Adobe Photoshop. You can use a tool like the rectangular tool, and from here you then want to select the part of your image, and then you will be able to see this generative fill right here. Now, if it's grayed out, it means that we are having some problems within the connection. But if you cannot see this taskbar right here or this tab, you want to head over to Window and you want to make sure that the contextual taskbar is enabled. As you can see, if I disable it, it will not show up. So you want to make sure that this one is enabled and then click on the generative fill. Now, going back to the connection problems, if the generative fill isn't working or grayed out, we want to make sure that we are connected to a strong internet connection, logged in into our Adobe account, and have the latest Photoshop beta installed or Photoshop application. We also want to check the firewall, disable some VPNs, and confirm the documentation in the RGB not grayscaled. And basically from there, you also want to try to log out and log in back out of the Creative Cloud. Now, basically the root cause of this grayed out problem is that you cannot connect to the Adobe Creative Cloud. You want to make sure that you are connected to the internet. You want to re-log in your Adobe account, and from there you will be able to simply fix the problem. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.